And that is Vincent there. This is a CG13 engine Nissan for this Nissan Cube. So today is day 20th May and we're going to work on this. Assembling it was a seized engine, bad crankshaft and some cams, too much slack, wasn't serviced for a while as you can see. So if you want more about this, catch us on YouTube. That's the Contract Africa or Breakdown Response Zambia, and Facebook for a full video. So this 20th May 2020. Stay safe. Hi. Good morning or afternoon. I don't know what time it is. So this is day 2. We're working on the Nissan Cube, and unfortunately today I'm alone. The cylinder head is back, you can see right there. Don't know if the camera can pick that up. So because I'm alone, I had to put the block first, which I recommend you don't do. Like, you have to assemble the engine on the ground, that way you don't miss anything. So I had to put the block first because I'm alone. I'm not going to lift 28 kg on my own of this engine. So the block is there. It's on TDC. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. So I'm going to continue assembling this. I was supposed to finish the video on the K240, the one I was working on, the third one I was working on from my friends, but since I'm alone, it's impossible. The boy I'm working with is having he's visiting his uncle in Kafue, and yeah, so if you want to see more, catch us on YouTube, Breakdown Response Zambia or the Contact Africa. Contact, not contract, Contact Africa. So full video on YouTube. Please subscribe and share the channel, and like I promised, in June we'll be having a workshop. Remember I promised by February, then we can have a proper cameraman. I'm just doing this on phone later. Okay, 24th May. Yeah, this is day 4. Engine is fully assembled. Just need to put oil where they put the oil filter, where they connected it there. So it's too hot right now. It's just past 1, which is 13. It's too hot, and I'm going to rest. Catch full video on YouTube. Remember, it's the Contact Africa or Breakdown Response Zambia. Either way, also like our page on Facebook, which is Breakdown Response Zambia. So this is the CG10 or CG13 Nissan Cube engine assembly. So later. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, yeah, so first run CG13. If you've been following on YouTube, so start the car.
This is nice.
So there you have it. If you've been following on YouTube, you'll see this. Our channel is Breakdown Response Zambia, and you can follow us on YouTube and see how I assembled this engine. Get here, it was a seized engine, badly knocked. Okay, kashimia nitaka kwetu amenshi. Kala boy nambo kubwa nambo ni.
Tamlera pa kamuli kala kaya. We need everybody to come along to represent cause it's a party.
Goma zabaze bizalila zona zikalila nishichalila zona zimakala zebezilila zimalila kwa vina Goma zabaze bizalila zona zikalila nishichalila zona zimakala zebezilila